Hello viewers, we'll be going over the tech sector. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week, and we'll be going over the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis for XLK. On Friday, it closed down 1.4%. If we examine on the 1-hour chart, we are off of oversold levels on the RSI after being oversold on Thursday and Friday morning. As for the 1-hour MACD, we have approached to negative MACD territory, and we see signs of it converging. And we have now closed below the 200 moving average, this green line. So that will act as our next resistance, which is around a price of $120.70. If we examine out further onto the 4-hour chart, we're still near oversold on the RSI, and we have approached to negative MACD on the 4-hour chart. As for the 200 moving average, we did bounce right off that level on Friday, and that will act as our temporary support if we do manage to get near that level, and that is around a price of $113.78. So as for the daily chart, what we have here is we're off of overbought levels on the daily RSI, and we have seen signs of it diverging. And also want to note, we see extreme volumes to the downside after very little volume on the climb to the upside. So there is still downward momentum intact, even though we had a very nice reversal back in Friday. If we extend that further onto the weekly chart, what's concerning that the uptrend may be at a stalling point because we have this week's candle that encompasses previous week of August 24th. This August 31st candle is much larger compared to the prior week. So that is an indication that the trend has now stalled, and we may be stalling for quite some time. So for the trade idea of the week for XLK, I'll be examining or opening a position of less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be $114.95, which is this green line right here, which is fairly close to where we encounter resistance, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support, and that support level dates back to August 6th. On the other hand, for my sell target on my long position, it will be $119.39, which is this red bar up here. And as for my stop loss, that will be $113.72, and that will be this purple bar there. So as for my short position, my short entry will be $121.29. This is my entry level on the green, which is fairly close to where we see the 9-moving average. And my sell target will be $116.22, where we encountered previous resistance level. And again, since we're above resistance, that will act as our support. So that will be my sell target on my short. For the stop loss, that will be $123.24. So as for the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 40% chance for XLK to climb higher between 0 to 2.7%. On the other hand, to the downside, we have a 60% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 2.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.